Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2016 Triumph Tiger 800 XC. This bike has 8,900 miles and is offered for $87.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great mid-size adventure bike from Triumph. As you can see, it has nice hard cases on it from Triumph. These are about $1,200 to $1,300 add-on. And also, if you're in the pizza delivery business, they work stellar for that. This bike comes with ABS brakes. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time, we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.